Now we are going to be talking about the 10th vulnerability of OWASP Top 10 for large language models. This vulnerability is of unbounded consumption. OWASP says unbounded consumption occurs when a large language model application allows users to conduct excessive and uncontrolled inferences, leading to risks such as denial of service, economic losses, model theft, and service degradation. This vulnerability is a risk that large language models can be overwhelmed by extremely large or complex prompts. These inputs can eat up huge amounts of memory, processing power, or bandwidth by either accident or on purpose and lead to crashes, delays, or massive cloud bills for your organization. Let me explain it with a personal story. When my son was 4 years old, I used to set up 30-minute timers on a Google Home device to help him focus during homework time. One day, out of frustration, he shouted, "Hey Google, cancel all timers and set a timer for 1 billion trillion seconds." The device started to think, and it kept on thinking and thinking until it froze completely. It got stuck in a loop so long that we had to actually send it back and get a new one. The device stopped to work. Can you believe that? And here's the thing, that wasn't even a large language model. It was just a Google Home device. But the size of the request alone was enough to break it. Now imagine what happens when we allow people to send massive, complex prompts to an AI system like ChatGPT with no limits. That's where unbounded consumption becomes a serious risk. Here's how it works. In step 1, an attacker may send a huge, complicated prompt to a public-facing AI chatbot. This could be a long question or even something designed to make the model loop forever. Then in the second step, the chatbot now tries to process the request which it got, but it's so large that it overwhelms the backend system, eating up memory, CPU time, and cloud resources. This can lead to slowdowns, system crashes, and massive bills for your organization. Worse, it blocks real users from getting help because the system is so busy handling a giant request it received. In a way, it's like a modern version of denial of service attack. But instead of flooding a server with traffic, the attacker is flooding the large language model with overly demanding questions. This is not just theoretical. A researcher once tested a language model using the popular LangChain library, which helps developers build AI applications or LLM applications. He created a prompt that caused the model to loop forever. Each time it ran, it burned more compute power until it was using tons and tons of resources, racking up cloud costs and slowing down everything. Once the issue was reported, the developers then added a simple fix to the model, a max iterations limit. That way, the loop would stop after a certain number of steps. But this example clearly shows just how easy it is to break even smart systems if we do not build in limits into it. Thank you for watching, and now let's take a look at the ways we can protect against or reduce the risk of this vulnerability of unbounded consumption.